Welcome to the first stop of Rodeo Lewis.ช่วยร้องครับเป็นแต่นาทีที่ได้พบเธอใจมันก็รู้ได้ทันทีต้องเป็นเธอที่เป็นเหมือนดวงดาวบนฟ้าคือเธอที่ฉันเคยเฝ้าตามหาจะมีวันใดที่ฟ้ามืดมนคิดรู้ไว้ว่ายังมีเธอโอบกอดฉันเท่านี้ฉันก็ไม่กลัวก็เพราะมีเธอเป็นแสงสว่างให้กันก็เพราะเธอสำคัญฉันเลยอยากให้เธอเป็นดาวดวงนั้นให้เธอเป็นดาวบนฟ้าที่ฉันจะไม่ละสายตาคือดาวบนฟ้าที่ได้ใจฉันไม่ยอมละ You are the star You are the light Every night สายตาเธอเป็นดาวเดียวของฉันตลอดไปฉันจะยกให้เธอคนเดียวเพราะเธอคือที่หนึ่งในเสียงหัวใจของฉันมันเรียกร้องง่ายแค่เธอก็เพราะว่าเธอสำคัญฉันเลยยกให้เธอเป็นดาวดวงนั้นให้เธอเป็นดาวบนฟ้าที่ฉันจะไม่ละสายตาดาวบนฟ้าที่ใครเธอฉันไม่ออกYou are the star, you are the light, every night ฉันอยากเธอคือดาวดวงเดียวของฉันตลอดไปสวัสดีครับ
สวัสดีครับ Good afternoon
ทำไมก่อน
อันนี้เที่ยง
อ๋อ
เที่ยงยังไม่เอาก็ afternoon แล้ว
afternoon it's
Yes.
afternoon now Hi Singapore hi everyone can you make some noise please
This is our first time here in Singapore so I want to say that we are so happy to be here
So this is the first time for the both of us that we are having a show here in Singapore.
Yes
I think you've been here for an event before.
No
right? No?
This is my first time
Oh, this is
my
your first
life in Singapore
Oh, this is your first time in
Yeah.
Singapore? Okay. How are you liking it so far?
Yeah I think the city is really beautiful Yeah so I arrived yesterday around 3 p.m. I think. Yeah, and I went through around the city just a little bit. Yeah, and I think the city is really beautiful.
Did you get to go anywhere
or sightsee, or did you come straight here for practice?
Not that much. Just
Not that much.
going around having dinner. Yeah. Me, salmon.
You didn't try
Salmon
anything.
steak, yeah.
You didn't try anything like local Singaporean food yet?
No, not yet. Maybe today.
Ah, maybe
After
today.
the show, yeah.
Yeah, after the show. But before going to after the show, we have to finish the show first.
Yes.
We haven't even started on that yet. So it's our first time for him in Singapore. It's also my first public event here in Singapore, so we're really excited to be here for the both of us. If we have the chance, we also would like to come back here again and
Yeah, sure.
not only meet you guys in the hall, but also for those who are outside, right?
Yes.
Yeah, so it's great to be here. It doesn't feel that different from Bangkok, right?
Warm welcome.
Yeah. Warm welcome as in the crowd or the temperature?
Yeah. Both.
Yeah, so the climate's like pretty the same, so
Yeah.
I think that's a good thing for us. Yeah, we don't have to adjust, but it's a 2-hour flight from here, and we're really glad to be here today.
Yeah.
Yes.
I heard that you guys have been waiting for us for 5 years. Right? Yeah, so but finally we are here now. So we hope that you guys enjoy our show today. Okay?
So for just a show of hands, I'm just curious. So how many of you in here are actually like from Singapore? Really, quite a majority of you. ใครคนไทยบ้างครับ ก็เยอะอยู่ And is there anybody that came here across from Malaysia, or is that really? So you crossed here from what's the city called? Johor Bahru, right? I see. Oh, from Myanmar? Really? Oh wow. เกาหลี โอ้โห อันนี้ไกลจริง
Yes.
So quite a few of you today, so we have a lot planned for you.
Yeah.
In terms of show, what do you think after practicing?
It's been 6 months since our rendezvous in Bangkok, so
Yeah.
we're a little bit nervous and excited because we have to practice a little more for
Yeah.
the show. Yeah.
Because I'll be honest, it's been like exactly 6 months. So the first rendezvous with FanCon in Bangkok
Yeah.
was 31st, the 1st and the 2nd of November. Today is the 4th of April.
Yeah.
It's been exactly 6 months, so
6 months.
6 months. So we're a bit rusty, but we have been practicing.
Yeah, and we will try our best.
We'll try our best for today. So I think there's a lot in store. Has any of you never seen, not even online, stuff about the Rendezvous FanCon? Is there? Some? Okay, there are some. So we have quite a lot of shows from the FanCon for you today, and a bit of new stuff. That wasn't in the original, so it's a mix and match type of situation. So we'll see how it goes today.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We hope you enjoy the show today, okay?
So I am assuming that all of you in here are going to be taking photos with us next, right? Right? Okay. You guys ready? All right. Can I hear your voices one more time? Like, come on. Are you guys ready? All right, so we'll see each other when we take photos next. เจอกันนะครับ
See ya.
บ๊ายบาย อีก2 นาทีเดี๋ยวมา We'll be back. Bye guys.